guys, reached to the end. I've been installed my all things in my client side, so I'm going to work on to find to do the rest configuration, then we move on to see what's going to do the next. The first things we need to do the installation of the telnet on the client side. We type yum install telnet, then hit enter. Okay, it's going to do the installation of the client. There are two differences between installation of the telnet and the server. For the server, have been added also telnet minus server. That's why. So that's how we mean to do the installation of our telnet on the server. But on the client, you need only to type yum install telnet. So when you take the screenshot, so ensure that you've been done with the installation of the telnet to the client server. Need to save it. Okay, great. Okay, great. Before we move on, let us try to and then I think we have been remembered how we did the configuration of dhcp. Guys, do you remember? If you don't, let us recall how we did it. You come here from system, you go to the preference, you go to the network connection, and then after reaching to the network connection, you need to specify something. Okay, you go to the system internet, you go to the edit. After reaching to the edit, you go to the IP version 4. It will automatically addresses only, okay, and then we will specify it will use the I have found out that my server is running on .5, so I used a 5, then I apply, so that when I'm going to connect will work. Client, okay, and then I close it. I will do service network manager, start. Okay, I've been restarted it. Okay, and then remember I have been disabled my firewall. Okay, no need to use my firewall. I've been disabled. How to disable our firewall? We need to come to the administration. You go to the firewall. Okay, you will type your password. Okay, you can see for me I have been disabled. To disable, you click disable and then you apply. Great, that is it. And then let me try to ping my server to see if I can get the connection. When I try to ping it is okay. Let me try to change the interface so that it will look different. More for terminal on the client side, it has changed it in different profile preferences. Okay, background. Choose the color. Okay, text color, it will be white. It has choose white. And then background, the color, let us say it should be black. Then close. Okay, great. That's the dev server for the server, and then for the client to look like this one. And then let me try to ping my server by using this network 1 and 2. It will be 1 and 2.168.10.5. So as you can see, I have pinged my server and then I got the reply. Great, that's what I needed. That means there's a connection between my client and the server. Let us to use a telnet to see if I get the connection. If I quit, you can see we have been 15 packets have been transmitted, 15 received, 0 packet lost. Great. And even I can try to ping my client. Let me first to see if config configuration to on the .10.100. So I will come from here, then I type ping 192.168.10.100. Okay, great. Now you can see I get also the reply. So what will happen if you try to ping a known network? I can see I'm trying to ping, but host unreachable. So you can see there's something that's need to be changed actually. Great. Okay, you can see 0 received, nothing up there have been sent 11 part, but nothing received. Great. That's for our server client side. And then for client side, let us to use telnet to connect to our server to see what's going on. When I try to type telnet, we can search to service to check what's going on, or with telnet use telnet, then we type the server port, I mean 192.168.10.5, hit enter, command not found. Let us see the reason why. How to connect to the have been done to the things. Let's see. Okay, how to connect, we type telnet. Okay, great. So for there's no need to put it at. Okay, great. We need a mistake. It will be telnet is past 192.168.10.5. okay, great. As you can see, it's trying to connect. It has been connected. Great. And then later enterprise Linux server, that's one, then that's kernel, and then I'm going to log in. How to log in? I need to type the username, then I type the password that I use on there. Login incorrect, so we need to type the password, the correct password. So we try to go. Okay, login incorrect. So we try to see the reason why. Let us try to see. Let us go to our terminal to take a look. Connection rest due to the host. But the good things you can see, we have been able to connect by using telnet. Let us go to see on our client side what the reason why we're unable to connect. We can go to the system. We need to go to the system preferences. The preferences. Oh, okay. Administration. We go to the user and groups. We type the password. Type well. On the server side. Oh, oops. Okay, I think I got the reason why behind it was working like this. I was using the capital letter. I tried to go to the administration, you go to the user and groups. What's going on? Okay, that's the what we have been created, and then the password hasn't changed. We use the password we used to change before. You can get the information, password information, enable password description if I know it. Okay, let us try to connect again to see. Come from here, try to connect again. Let us exit. Okay, type name, then password, login incorrect. Okay, great, no problem. So we try to do the configuration why it didn't work, and then other things work fine. Connection refused, no problem. So let me try to debug and see how we come back from these things. Can change the password. Okay, let us try to ping that one by typing the server minus 23129, then you type the password. Okay, login incorrect. That is it. That's okay. You try to see the reason why it's going. It is refusing. Okay. Great. There's something that we were missing. From now on, do you remember before where we created the user to access it, and then from now you can see only the user that's been logged in to the server 23129. So and then if we need to reach from him, we will type, and then remember from our within telnet configuration you have disabled it to go on or to access our server by using we check to the no by using the load. I think so. But let us try to connect again. We tried the something telnet to the IP, and then I will try to type it will be server minus 23129, then hit enter. Then we want to type the password of the server, not the root password, the login password used to log into our client into our server site. And then for me it's welcome, and then I type okay, I'm able to log in. As you can see, there's something that changed. I changed from the root at issue.dot, and then I go to the server 23129. Okay, I'm able to connect from now on, and then I can try to take a screenshot to show that I've been connected. Okay, that was the error. I was typing the wrong password, and then you can see I can type to see ifconfig. As you can see, I can type the ifconfig. I can get the all configuration, IP configuration to our server. Let us try. Let me show you something from my server client side. From my server site, when I type ifconfig, it has 192.168.10.5. So and then I'm able to access all things that have been located to my server. I can see anything, and then I can list anything else minus AHL to list all things that I have there. I can do cd home slash to the load ls minus AHL. You can see when I reach to the slash, I have this folder of Jeremy. I have been added to different things. Okay, as you can see, I'm able to connect to the client using the telnet. Great. And then from now on, the telnet configuration, what we've been looking for, it is done. Okay, I've been checked, I've been configured with our client, then it is done. And then installation, the configuration of dhcp, it is done either on our two side, and then we're going to try to use SSH to connect to our server. How to connect to our server? How to connect using the SSH? We need to, if you need to do exit for this one, we will type exit only to move out. Now you can see I'm able to log out. Okay, great. Let me try to do SSH. Or we're going to do SSH. We type SSH at, and then we put the name, or I mean the IP of our server 192.168.10.5, then hit enter. Okay, that command not found. There's something we need to do for the SSH. Let's try see the reason behind. why SH is not well able to communicate. Let us try to see SH man SH, sorry. SH, can you see, test to see what's going on, the reason why LNI is unable to connect. Those are the file of the SSH, but actually it should have been working. Try to see. Let me quit. Let me find the for the SSH configuration. Just if SSH client side is already installed to our server, to our client side, by trying to type sudo apt. No, it will not use sudo apt. How to use yum install open SSH for the client, then hit enter. No package for the client available. Let's have to do yum repo is to see. Okay, that's the media must be removed. Media, my ISO, that's removed. Okay, great. Yum repo list. Let us try to see then here. List. See there. Okay, let's do the exit. At the front side. For my client, it is this one. For Red Hat, also it has been added for, but doesn't matter, no problem. Okay, great. We try to do installation. We want to see the reason why we aren't able to SSH our server. SSH. Okay, I remember the reason why. Okay, sorry guys. I think for SSHing we need to type the SSH, and then we put the username we're going to access it, and then for our username it is it is server calculator 23129 under the ports, and then 192.168.10.5. hit enter. Okay, great. The authentication of the host cannot be celebration. Then we need to, are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yes. Great. Warning, permanently adding this is going to be permanently added to our server. Okay, great. And then as you can see, I'm been asked to type the password of this server, my server 23129. I'll type the password. It is on my site's welcome. Okay, now on I'm able to log in. Great, bravo, that's what we needed. Okay, we have moved from the client side, we move to the server side. Okay, I need to take a screenshot for these things. I've been doing the SSHing and then it worked. Okay, and then you can type like, you can list all things we have from there. LHL, let us go to the load site, ls minus AHL, can see also the folder of the Gmail, or during the current it is there. And then you can type like ipconfig to see the IP configuration of the server. Okay, great, that's it, 192.168.10.5. and I can see we're able to SSH our server. And then you can remove like cd you can do the exit. When you do the exit, now you can see the connection to the once it's closed. Once it's closed, I config for myself. I can get what it was getting from the client side. Great. Now the thing's done with the client search. It is done. Bravo. That means we are remaining with the installation, the configuration of the server. Okay, by trying to track on where we are reaching from here, the first one we are remaining on Samba and FTP. Samba and FTP. And then for Linux, DHCP should assign IP address automatically to all nodes on network. This one has been done. Linux client and Windows client should be able to access all services above. There's something you need to add on so that it will be able. For the next video, what we work on, we try to end these things where users on Windows should access all service as well. Like for SSH, we use on Windows, we use PuTTY. So that means we'll do the installation of the PuTTY. Today it's 26. Tomorrow evening I will try to do the configuration of the rest one. So that means we are hoping like tomorrow we'll be able to reach to the 100% of project to the end. Great. So let me take this moment to take a rest, and then guys try to do the configuration of telnet as we did, and then the configuration of the dhcp, configuration of the SSH, and then we come up with FTP and Samba. Thank you. Have a blessed day.